Accenture is hiring freshers for multiple roles across India. Whether you are from a technical background or a non-technical background, there are opportunities for everyone. Some roles require zero experience, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are looking for a fresher job in 2026, then this video is for you. Accenture has opened multiple job opportunities for freshers and candidates with up to 2 years of experience. The openings are available in Bengaluru, Kolkata, Noida, and Pune. In today's video, I'll quickly explain all the roles, the required skills, and who can apply. So make sure you watch till the end and don't miss any opportunity. Let's get started. The first role is Application Support Engineer. For this role, Accenture is looking for candidates who have knowledge of SAP basis administration. Your work will include monitoring SAP systems, managing installations and configurations, handling backups, and troubleshooting technical issues. If you have basic knowledge of SAP and want to build your career in enterprise technology, this can be a great opportunity. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, and location will be Bengaluru. Candidates must have completed 15 years of full-time education. The second role is IT Customer Service Representative in Kolkata. This role is perfect for freshers who have good technical and communication skills. You should have knowledge of Microsoft Windows, troubleshooting, technical support, networking, and system administration. Cloud computing knowledge will be a plus point. In this role, you'll help users solve technical issues and provide customer support whenever required. So if you are looking for a technical support role as a fresher, definitely check this one out. The next opening is Insurance Operations New Associate. Freshers and candidates with up to 2 years of experience can apply. And location will be Noida. This role is more focused on operations and client handling. Accenture is looking for candidates who can communicate effectively, manage client relationships, handle multiple tasks, and work under pressure. Your day-to-day work will involve solving routine issues, supporting clients, and working closely with your team. Also, keep in mind that this role may require rotational shifts. Now let's talk about another custom software engineer role. For this position, candidates should have knowledge of ServiceNow IT service management. You should understand IT service management processes, scripting basics, database concepts, and application development methodologies. This is a great opportunity for candidates who want to work in enterprise applications and IT services. Again, the experience requirement is 0 to 2 years. Location will be Bengaluru with full time of 15 years education is required. And finally, we have a custom software engineer role in Pune. This is one of the most exciting opportunities for candidates with Python skills. Accenture is looking for candidates who understand Python programming, object-oriented programming, version control tools like Git, debugging, and software development fundamentals. In this role, you'll work with development teams, participate in coding and testing activities, and help build software solutions. If you are from BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech, BSc IT, or any computer science background with 0 to 2 years of experience, then this role is definitely worth applying for. So these are the latest Accenture job openings for freshers and early career professionals. If you are interested in any of these roles, make sure to apply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.